everybody, so today I'm going to start this jigsaw. So that's Harry Potter, and the title is Harry Potter, and it is from Clementoni in Italy. It has got 1000 pieces and it doesn't look that difficult. Maybe the cloaks. The fun thing about that is it comes in a little suitcase. Look at that. So that's neat. And we will see what's in the inside when I open it. But if you look at that picture, it must be nice. I had one of these suitcases before. It was Clementoni. I think it was the Peaky Blinders jigsaw. So, for reasons unknown, my other camera just went on. Okay. Well, that's a bit irritating. Okay, so, I would say let's start the jigsaw and see how it goes. Okay guys, so that was Harry Potter. It wasn't too difficult. Here we've got the three main characters, Harry, Ron, and in Germany her name is Hermine, but I know it's Hermione in English. So we've got the beautiful Hogwarts Express, and of course Hedwig is there. So I thought I'd start with Hedwig, but that turned out to be a bit tricky. I don't know why. I had a rough time doing him, but the rest was alright then. I sorted the pieces by shape at the end when I had all these dark cloaks, but that was alright. Here we've got the Hogwarts, oh no, the Gryffindor sign. I forgot the word for Wappen. You know what I mean. And of course Hogwarts. So that one's nice. So Harry, Ron, Hermine. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Bye bye.